Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Today I am going to show you how to create a web page. So this is my web page. In this web page we have multiple sections. So this is the header section, this is the footer section, this is the menu bar, this is the left navigation, this is the right navigation, this is the body part. In this menu bar, we have three components. One is the contact us, another one is about us, and another one is home. So this is our requirement. Now I am going to design the exactly the same web page. Just go to the Sublime Text. This is the editor to design the HTML. Now I am going to design the. So this is HTML by HTML. In this I am taking header section. So in this header session, I am taking title. So the title is Java Basics. Now in this header session, I am taking one more block style. So if you want to apply any CSS related components, we can write in the style block. So next I am going to take body part. So in this body part, I am going to create the my components. Just I am taking one div tag. So in this div I am going to create a div class equal to header. Now I am taking one heading. In this heading I am writing header. So this is now I am going to execute the program. So this is header is created. Now I am going to create the footer for save. Just copy and paste it. Change the class name, footer and heading also. So now the footer also created. Now I am going to create the one menu div class equal to menu. So in this menu I am going to take three hyperlinks. One is home, so here is the home, this is about us, another one is contact us. So now I am going to see, here is the menu bar is created. So next is going to take one row, class equal to row. I am closing the row. So in this row I am going to take class three columns. This is left column, so heading also changing left, and then so now I'm going to take, this is the middle, changing the heading to body. Now I'm going to take right, this is the navigation. So right navigation also created. Now I'm going to see. So here left navigation is created, body is created, right navigation is created. This is right navigation, this is the closing tag of row. Now I'm going to apply the CSS for same. Now here I am going to take universal selector. In this universal selector I am taking box sizing border size border box, and applying the CSS for body. So just apply the margin 0. Then I am going to apply the CSS for headers, header comma footer. So my header background color is, I want to display yellow color, and padding equal to 10 pixel, text align equal to center. Now I am going to see the output. Header is created, footer is created. Now I am going to apply the CSS for this menu bar. So in this menu bar, overflow equal to hidden, and background color equal to light green. Just I am taking light green, and padding equal to 10 pixel. So my menu bar also is created. Now I am going to apply CSS for menu bar hyperlink. So menu bar hyperlink, float equal to right, next display block, and color equal to, I want to display the hyperlinks in red color, and padding equal to 10 pixel comma 10 pixel. So my menu bar is created. In the menu bar I have taken three components: contact us, about us, home. So the color of the hyperlinks is red color. Now I am going to apply menu bar over. So here I am taking background color equal to yellow, and text color equal to blue color. Next I am executing the program. Here whenever my mouse is there on the hyperlink, the background color is yellow color and the text color is blue color. Now I am going to apply the CSS for columns. Column dot left comma column dot right. I want to apply the text align equal to left, and float equal to left. Then width of my left navigation and right navigation is, just I am taking 50%, and padding equal to 70 pixel. Background color equal to, I am taking hot pink. So in the same way I am applying the CSS for middle also. Middle is nothing but a body part. So here the body part I am taking text align equal to center, and float equal to left. Width of my body equal to, I am taking 60%, and padding equal to 70 pixel. Then I am going to apply CSS for row. So in this row, just applying the row colon. After, here I am taking content equal to empty and display equal to table, clear equal to both. So I am going to see my web page. So here I want to take this text I copied from previous one, I want to display here. So here in this left navigation I am taking one paragraph, I am closing paragraph, just use this. Here I am taking two paragraphs. So the same content I am taking in right side also. So now my web page is ready. So here is the header section is created, footer section is created, left navigation is created, right navigation is created, and body part is created. This menu bar is created. In this menu bar we have three components. Now the web page is completed. So friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.